How are you doing?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine.
You're
What?
looking, I'm doing well too. Thank you. You're looking very smart.
Oh, thank you so much for the compliment.
You're welcome. How did you come to know about our website and what did you want to learn from the enrolled course, Karishma?
Okay. As I always like net surfing.
Okay.
Scrolling through the Facebook page,
Mm-hmm.
and it was the Corona COVID time, so lots of
Yes.
time. So I got to know about this EduBridge Private Limited, and I filled the form of when we got to the pop up
Yes.
further, and I filled it. And
And yes,
what?
go ahead.
What was your second question?
So, what did you want to learn from this particular program that you enrolled for?
Okay, as it was the COVID period, ma'am, and I got this was the concept going was work from home, apart
Yes.
from government based defense or medical or banking, everyone doing work from home basis. And I also seen as in this pandemic, there was lack of job opportunities,
Hmm.
and even the employees which were working, they were losing their jobs.
Yes.
So, and I was also searching for the job, but as I was not able to get any job opportunities, then I started to look for the jobs like related to banking, because in the COVID period, I have seen only two sectors,
Hmm.
and banking,
Yes.
going very good apart from other industries. So
Yes.
I searches for the courses, because in bank either you have to crack the exam or you have to be MBA to get good placement. So I started searching for the job oriented courses related to,
Okay.
and so that I can get placed in my place only, hometown. So when I got a call from EduBridge, Himani ma'am called me,
Okay. Okay.
suggested me a certified financial inclusion expert course, and after this you will get a good job opportunity, and at your hometown only you will get with a good salary.
Okay. That's great. In fact, Karishma, what you did was the right thing that during that time you upskilled yourself, which is something I think important for all of us to do is keep upskilling and learning different things. So that
Yes,
has
ma'am.
only added value to, what you want to grow and where you want to grow. So that's really good.
Yes, ma'am. This point I really like yours. Like every time you should keep on learning. It's not limit.
Yes,
Learning
absolutely.
limitless.
Absolutely. So, how has your overall experience been with the online training?
Although it was the online platform, and I have already have an experience of online platform, but we felt
Yeah.
having the same offline classroom type, as you just need a good internet connection, a smart
Yes.
laptop, and just to gain knowledge, your awareness. And I would like just to add something about my trainer also, which
Yes.
this Iban ma'am, as she was a boon to us, because apart from theoretical knowledge, she has worked in banking sector. She was able to explain us the practical approach, the key terms which one should know beforehand. So this made the modules and understanding
Yes.
easy and simplified for the students to get.
Yes. Okay, great. And, after doing this course, Karishma, how do you think that this course has shaped you as a person? What do you find differently, what do you find rather different in yourself?
Earlier, I used to think that to get a job, one should have only a domain knowledge. But after going through these modules or this training, I got to know that domain knowledge is important.
Mhm.
But side by side, you should have a good personality, good communication skill, good soft skills to make yourself appearing or attractive. The face appearance you can do by
Yes.
certain thing, but or how you can make your inner one, or you can presentable. So the soft skill classes, which we from the basic man started, the communication classes, and at last she done the domain part, which was really
Mm.
awesome, because one should know the basics first, and then one should get to the main target
Yes.
he has to fulfill. One thing also I want to add, which I liked very much. Like we used to have a uh, role acting participation
Yes, yes,
or GD discussion, like on certain topics.
yes.
Uh,
Okay, okay, great. And in fact, how do you find our Learn by Yourself modules? What did you learn from them?
Our learn by modules is basically for the trainees, sorry, employees.
Yes,
You should know beforehand before going or applying for the job, like how personality you should be able to, how to interact with
yes,
the people, what type of different interview skills you should have, and how to face interviewer before interview, and the basic things were like health and safety at workplace, personal hygiene,
yeah.
food hygiene, etc., which was very good concept of by EduBridge, which I like, which very rare any institute I think provide like this type of training. They only focus on a domain knowledge.
Yes.
If you're from banking, they will focus on banking. If you're from IT, they will focus. I hope I'm not lengthening the topic.
No, not at all. Please. In fact, your feedback for us is very valuable. So it's
Yes,
really great. Please go ahead, Karishma.
yes, ma'am. That's
Okay.
this one.
So, in fact, Karishma, what I found interesting was when you mentioned about how personality is important, how presentation is important. So, from the way you have dressed up, and if you were to go like that for an interview, you look extremely smart. So, my first impression, and hence I told you even initially that, you're looking very smart today. So that was something which was very interesting that you mentioned, that even your personality, your presentation is also very important. And you learned that through our course, which is really good, Karishma.
I want to add one point.
Yes, please.
Sense, as from the childhood days, I really like the concept of formal dressing sense.
Yes.
Whenever I see women or anyone dress up in the formal getup, I get easily attracted. I started looking or going through that.
Very nice. And in fact, it looks really, really smart.
Yes,
It's
ma'am,
good.
absolutely.
Yes. So, what could we do better, Karishma, to make the overall training experience even better? Do you have any, suggestions for us?
As a trainee, I can say that we have got very much matlab, in the online also platform. Like you have provided us the visual illustrations, animated videos, very good trainers which have practical knowledge.
Yes.
From theoretical knowledge. But a small suggestion, apart the GD discussion which is having inside the only, we can also conduct with different batches on the social topics apart from domain topics, because domain topics
Yes.
are different batches. So like social topic like women empowerment, if it possible, just a suggestion, because
Yeah.
so much in the package. So as a trainee, I just suggest this.
Thank you so much for your valuable feedback. And in fact, point noted, we will definitely see what we can do to take it ahead. Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am.
And would you recommend EduBridge and its courses to your friends and relatives, Karishma?
Yes, of course, ma'am. As I think if you create awareness regarding things, or particularly regarding the knowledge, because nowadays many institutes are making profitable position. I think apart from imbibing correct or true knowledge. So if I am providing someone awareness regarding a platform which provide knowledge as well as job opportunity at your hometown only, and at the online platform, which is very feasible in nowadays. Everyone is using smartphone. It is very feasible. So I will definitely recommend my friends and relatives.
Great. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for your time, Karishma. Thanks.
One thing more
Yes.
I want to add, ma'am. As when I joined and when the course was on the ending period, I was on a virtual. I got the opportunity to attend a virtual celebration, which I rarely find any institute or training coaching conducted, which interacted the students also.
Yes, yes.
We have a virtual Christmas celebration. We have a virtual New Year celebration. And those who got passed or got first prize, they have also got cash prize as well as different gifts also. I will be also receiving.
Lovely.
So I'm excited for that. So
Lovely.
I very much like celebration, because in this you get to, I got the opportunity or first time to go to YouTube live. It is a very,
Right.
everyone dreams of like these type of things. And as a training, I got this, so I like this concept very much.
Okay, great. And I'm so glad you enjoyed it. Thank you
Yes,
so
I
much.
was there. I hope you have
Yes.
seen.
Yes, of course I have. Yes, absolutely.
And it was a pleasure talking to you, ma'am. Have a
Thank you so much.
take care.
It was a pleasure talking to you as well, Karishma. All the best. Good luck, and I'm sure you will do well wherever you go. So thank you so much.